second year CSE department. I take this opportunity to welcome the galaxy of distinguished guests, respectable faculties, graduates of 2021, and my dear friends, to Cheerio 2021. Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end. How lucky are we to have someone that makes us saying goodbye so hard? Indeed, this is the time that we take to thank and to share our memories and feedbacks from our graduates of the year 2021. On this special day, I invite Mr. Nirup from third year CSE department to deliver the welcome address. Please, Nirup.
A very good morning to one and all. I am PS Nirup from third year BTech CSE department. First of all, I would like to thank everyone who gave me this opportunity to welcome all my seniors and lecturers on this memorable day. On this special occasion, I take this opportunity to welcome additional registrar Dr. V. Sirilraj sir, joint registrar, event publications and alumni Dr. L. Ramesh sir, HOD Dr. Geeta ma'am, staff members, seniors, and my dear colleagues. Thank you all for your nice presence in huge number in this Thanksgiving party of our seniors. College life is undoubtedly the best phase of life for everyone. Our parents, lecturers, and friends all have made this phase of life so memorable for us. We learned so many things from our inspiring lecturers, made mistakes, made memories with friends and whatnot. It was a long journey in itself. Today marks the end of this college life of sweet and bitter moments to cherish all our lives. We do feel a touch of sadness, but it is the nature of life to move forward. So today we will celebrate this moment with our beloved lecturers and friends to bid a good farewell to all who have to leave now with a smiling face. Once again, I wholeheartedly welcome everyone to this very special occasion, Cheerio 2021. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nirup. Now, I request Dr. B. Sirilraj sir, Additional Registrar Administration, to address the gathering. Please, sir.
First of all, I would like to thank our Board Chancellor. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
First of all, I would like to thank
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
our founder as well as our president. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes. We can able to hear your voice.
It's a wonderful opportunity for us to excel in our career through this organization. Definitely, it's a very important day to all of us where our alumni are hand-holding us in taking our institution, our computer science department to the next level. Dear alumni and then the participants, the role of alumni is very, very important in every organization. So I can quote the alumni of that institution as the air which is there in our the wheels of our tire. Clear. Suppose if the tire is deflated, yes, so definitely we cannot have an efficient functioning of any system. So the same way, you are like the air for our university transportation system. So without you, definitely it is very, very hard journey, or I'll say very tough for us to move ahead also, because actually always it is through these alumni we need a lot of inputs from industry or the latest practices which are happening there in the respective domains, because we cannot have day-to-day changes there in our academics. So, but rather, nuclear through these alumni nuclear, we can get a clear directions of how the industries are planning ahead, so that nuclear we can start aligning our curriculum and then the syllabus according to that requirements. If you see some of the world famous institutions, clear. So most of those institutions were driven only by alumni. So millions and millions of dollars were donated by those alumni for their alma mater. But here we are not expecting any such financial assistance from any of our alumni, but rather we need alumni to, as already told you, to hold your alma mater, and then through this handholding nuclear, you have to bring the industry problems to this, the department, so that the students will also have that opportunity to work in the latest development. Same way, uh, uh, there may be opportunity for the students to do internship, and then that internship may finally extend as a job opportunity for those students, and then the research opportunities for the faculty members, consultation. So everything is coming through this particular augmentation process. So your role is very, very important, and dear alumnus. So I hope you would have understood nuclear why your alma mater need to be taken care by you. Clear. So please take up this assignment given to you very seriously, and then let us have a win-win situation for you as well as for us also, because you have to make this institution to be a proud institution, so that nuclear you can claim that nuclear I have passed out from this particular department of this great Dr. M.J.R. Education Research Institute and University. So I wholeheartedly welcome the thanks Dr. Geeta for providing such a wonderful platform for our students as well as our alumni. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. And we also hope that we will fulfill your wish in the upcoming years. And up next, I request Dr. L. Ramesh, sir, Joint Registrar, Alumni Publications and Events, to share a few words with the graduates and the other gatherings. Please, sir.
Very warm good morning. Good morning, my dear students, alumni. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Morning.
So so we are very, very happy that you are moving towards a very, very challenging world. That challenging world, you will be the pioneer. Whether you will be pioneer and going to reach in a very strong, successful manner, we can able to witness that within 2 years, within 3 years, within 5 years, 10 years, like that. How that witness will be there? Maybe after 2 years, you will call the HOD or any faculty member and inform, Madam, I got promotion. After 5 years, you will get a call to the department and inform, Ma'am, I will get promotion. Within 2 years, I got promotion. Within 1 year, I got promotion. So like that, in the light off. So like that, you will get a information. That information to be shared to the HOD. So this kind of things will happen in your life. So even when we talk about you, lot of people you are having in your mind stating that you are going to start earning the money. That is very, very important. But my personal and very humble request, when you are in a position to do your higher education, 100% you will go for higher education. 100%. Not even a single. If you are in a position to invest for your higher education, your family, your father, mother ready to invest, 100% move for higher education. Why? I would like to share you, because when we compare China and our country and other abroad countries, the students from UG to PG conversion will be very much high, around 30 to 40% is UG to PG conversion. But in our country, the UG to PG conversion is 7%, and PG to doctorate PhD conversion is only 3%. That is actually the reason where we are lagging, why we are not in the top level, and we can't able to come out with sustainable research products. 95% we are depending upon foreign products. So this happened because there is a research totally down in our country. This research is possible. So this research is possible. Just a minute, I am changing another. Okay, so this is possible only when if you are in a position to go for masters, and only when if you are in a position to go for doctorate. Keeping in your mind, which I am telling you, if you are not taking this as your challenge and go for research, if you go for research, you are contributing to our country. So this is a place where our students are struck, and they are little. I can tell they are little lagging, because we have a very strong survey. Our university students, what is the percentage of students going for masters, and what is the percentage of students going for doctorate? The research is always an important tool. So once you start earning money, 99% you will not go for masters. Even a lot of students, those who are here, you have in your mind, no sir, we will go for master's study after 5 years, 6 years, got experience in some like that, some industry like that. But this is possible only very few, 1 to 2% only. So that is what my humble request. Go for masters and go for the research and complete the research. If you are in a position to invest for your education for the higher level. Why again I am stressing for our country. So not for you, I am stressing it for our country to develop research, because this 3% conversion ratio for research to be improved to 10%. If you are in a 10%, 10% of the UG graduated students moving towards doctorate, that is research, then there is then only the development will be there in our country. So this is what the very important information I would like to share you. Second thing about because we are the alumni, our office is taking care of the alumni. So I would like to mention you, till your life, you will be with us, Dr. MGR alumni. So till your life, you will be with us as a Dr. MGR alumni. Happy that. So 2-3 things I will tell you. So one very happy news. Last Friday, our alumni registration got approved by our Indian authorities, government authorities, and we got a registration number. We are going to declare officially very soon. So Dr. MGR Alumni Association, now it is a registered professional society under Society Act. So that is a very happy news, and all the alumni will get a recorded certificate of membership. So like that, the process which we are planning. What actually we are doing, you would like to know, we have 5-7 local network. We call it as a local network. That Chennai local network is there, Mumbai local network is there. Just a minute, Prasanna, please, you can take a tab you can take. So we have 7 local network and 5 international network. So I will show you here. Mr. Prasanna is handling all. Open that network. So we have, what we are doing here is alumni, those who are working in Mumbai and near that places, we connected in a separate group. Alumni, those who are working. So this is our group. This is our, maybe you can able to. Okay, this is our all the groups. So this is all the how we are connecting. Suppose, for example, you are here. Suppose you are moving to Calcutta. You need to connect alumni office. You need to connect alumni office and get you connected with the respective group, because in that Calcutta network, we have 150 members connected together. In the Delhi network, we have 2 groups. Around 600 alumni are connected there. Bangalore, around 150 alumni are connected there. So what benefit as a fresher you will get? Once you join, suppose you are moving to Delhi, once you join in that group, our seniors, your seniors itself will give you a lot of notification regarding the what to study, regarding what are the job opportunities which is coming like that. So this is the one good platform which you all connected together and be connected. Second part is that we have Alma Connect. You all know that. So maybe another couple of days you will receive an email to register in our alumni portal. So we now have our own alumni portal. That alumni portal you will get registered. Then you will able to get all the information. What are the information which we are communicating here, which we are organizing here. Every time it will be communicated to you. So this is one part. And normally what we are doing, you can take as a team, you can take initiative. Every year you can meet, you need to organize. We will give all your support. Presently what we are doing, 10th year decennial celebration we are doing, and 25th year decennial 25th year celebration we are doing. This is the 2 things which our university is celebrating. So like this, there is a couple of alumni events will be there. You all know already when you are in the student here, we will call alumni for the event, and I request you have to be in a very top position. Maybe another 3 years, Geeta ma'am will call you for a chief guest. And another 5 years, madam will call you for the chief guest in the advisory board of curriculum. Like that, you need to be travel in a good positions. So I don't want to take more time. I'm very happy. So because you all are having a very bright future, the artificial intelligence play a very big role, and computer science also play a very big role. We have a lot of statistics. It states that next couple of years, the market is very good for computer science engineers. And my suggestion, be very strong research engineer. That is what I always suggest. And I am very, even lot of students, those who are here, you are in lot of good positions, already joined in some company and working. But I would like to appreciate a lot of, I don't know most of the students, but some students closely involved with me. I have to salute a person, Mohammed, who is now the ambassador and who is now ambassador of UNICEF, and he got selected.
Mohammed Abrar.
So the reason
Mohammed
is
Abrar,
because
sir.
Mohammed, this guy is connected with our office through all the activities. 3 years back itself he connected and done lot of contribution for the society. That is very, very important. Because of his contribution for the society, now he is in a very, very renowned top position, and that position will give a very beautiful international opportunity. That is what the place where Mohammed is there now. He is in the young professional board. He is one of the deciding authority member in UNICEF related organizations. So congratulations, Mohammed. Not only the Mohammed, like that, a lot of people are there, but the 1 or 2 members which I know closely. That is what I would like to think. So congratulations all the CSC students, now alumni, and you keep in touch with us. Whenever suppose you are in some other country or somewhere else, when you are coming back to Chennai, come and visit our campus. It is must. Most of the students is missing that. When you coming to Chennai, come to just 1 week back, call your HOD and inform you are coming here, so that department will organize some interaction with the students. So that is with you only. Keep connect and have a very good network with us. So thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am, for the initiative CSE taken to even in this situation connect all the students and giving like a fruitful kind of a farewell, whatever it is, the send off which is giving today. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir,
Thank you,
for
sir.
sharing your thoughts with us. It was truly inspiring. Further, moving towards the most important and treasurable moment, which is the experience sharing session. Now, I request our beloved graduates to share their memorable and their valuable memories and experience that they had in our university. I request graduates from every class to come forward and to share their experience. To go first, I request Mr. Venkata Anil Mutyam from 4th year CSE department to share his experience with us. I request Mr. Venkata Anil Mutyam from
Hello?
4th year CSE department.
Hello.
Yes, Anil, you are audible.
Um, Hi everyone, and myself Anil. I would like to express my feelings about my college experience. College is one of the best things in our life. We experience a lot of things. We make friends along with study. We done a lot of other things. We traveled a lot of places, had new experiences, and learned many new things. Um, every staff in our college were helpful to us in difficult situations. College life is one of the most remarkable and lovable times in individual lives. The concept, that's all. I didn't take much more time. Thank you for your.
Ma'am, if I may speak something, can I go ahead right now?
Yes, Gokul. Gokul, you would
Yeah,
like to
ma'am.
share something?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
You'd like to share something? Yes, you proceed.
Hi, everyone. I'm Gokul from CAC B section. I would like to thank our college department for giving a placement opportunity, first of all. And I would like to share some experiences from my college time. Like, so most of the students over here, like, would have just studied in one college. I have done my first year and second in some other college and joined MA University later. So I assume that I know much about like differences between our college and some other colleges. Like, first of all, I felt that the environment given to the students here is like more optimistic, ma'am. Like, students have the ability to interact with staffs freely, and also like the environment over here was like much easy for me. I was like able to like learn on my new skills over here. The teachers were friendly. Overall, the college experience was really great, ma'am. And also, I gained a lot of experience during tech extra time. Like, I was asked to like head a committee on photography for the first year, and the next year I was like on the web development committee. I learned a lot of leadership skills over there, and overall, the college experience with the staff was like really amazing. Like, I would like to like thank Arun sir especially over here. Like, he was like being a class in charge throughout the second year, third year, and the fourth year. He helped me in some way. He inspired me and also like motivated a lot of students from our class, ma'am. Um, that's all about it. And really enjoyed this time with the students over here. Thanks for letting me letting me part of this college, ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks, Gokul. Really, your words inspiring us. Yes, this is what, at the end of the day, the faculty needs. Yes, thank you. Thank you for your valuable appreciation in terms of appreciating the faculty. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Anil, and also Gokul for sharing your thoughts with us. And yes, we are truly inspired with it. And now I request Mr. Mohammad Abrar Sharif from 4th year CSE department to share his experiences with us.
Thank you so much, Pushpa. I'm so sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I've come out of station, so I might be, my environment is a bit loud. But yeah, starting with being the very new student post schooling, the high school. Everybody, we just think, okay, we have taken computer science and we'll be doing a lot of achievements. We'll be doing a lot of innovations. And in that part, I am proud to share that our college has always been given, all the opportunities to their students, and they have also never stepped back to not giving, not failing, not to give any new opportunity coming from other countries as well, because I've seen my our very own friends going to London and giving their part of contribution. The best part about our college is like I won't talk much on the placements part, but when I talk about the education part, the best thing is we, like Gokul very rightly said, we could interact with our own teachers, and that's the most connection, that's the most touchable bonding between a student and a teacher, to learn new things, to have a wonderful journey ahead. Because throughout the journey of our languages and our the basic computer language which we study, it is also necessary to maintain our mental health, and that is where our teachers have always been given support, and they have always made sure that yes, okay, Abrar can do this part, then Abrar will be, we will give particular suggestion on that part, particular thing, because not everyone is perfect in everything, and very rightly managed by our staff. Like, yeah, Arun sir was our class coordinator. It was such wonderful experience to have a class coordinator, because he has been strict when it is needed, and he's being friendly when we needed a real inspiration, or we needed a real advice. And coming to friends part, we all connected. The best part about college again is we all have specialities. Like Gokul has this photography specialty. Anil actually has great knowledge about handling things. And I was really, always so active to do. Yeah, I want to do take up this challenge and do. I learned a lot of things from our college students, and that eventually how the college has structured us. It was so beautiful to have so many, so vast various varieties of students in one place. And yes, one more thing, when it comes to our staff, the faculty always plays a huge role in a student's growth. And here we clearly understood that a life is a journey. And like, it is not about, like Ramesh sir also shared, if you have an opportunity to study further, please go ahead. Because yes, there is, technology doesn't stop for anyone. Degree might end, but the journey will continue. So that is the point which we always need to focus, and our faculty has always been educating us about. ஏதாவது புதுசா கிடைச்சதுன்னா கண்டிப்பா படிங்க, அதை பத்தி தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க, அதை பத்தி ரீசர்ச் பண்றதா இருந்தா கூட பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னு ஒரு மோட்டிவேஷன் ஹெச்ஓடி மேம் எனக்கு கொடுப்பாங்க எப்பவுமே. அப்புறம் இது பண்றியா, ஓகே நைஸ், இதை வச்சு நம்ம காலேஜ்ல நம்ம டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் என்ன பண்ண முடியும் பாரு. Victor ma'am used to say, Abra, let's do an event. That is the beauty of our department. Because we have into the CSE department, I would precisely talk about that. Coming to the Green Line NSAVE Club, which Ramesh sir mentioned about, it is so beautiful that not only our focus is completely into education, but also about doing community service. What best we could do as a student to our nation. And again, our college has played a vast role in it. It has connected me to so many other colleges. We have been to some other colleges, actually educated them, and come back. And we have learned so many things from there, and I actually implemented that in our college. That is the best beauty of our college. So like we say, we are not job seekers, we are job makers. So yeah, we have always got that opportunity to go ahead and create something new, and actually that gives us the growth of being our own boss. And yes, I have recently got into the United Nations Youth Advisory Board, and I would definitely fail if I do not put a share of credit that to our college. That yes, I have been given support, I have been encouraged every time, and my friends have encouraged, because it's cheerio. It's especially for our friends, our classmates here. I want to thank each and everyone who has inspired me, be it positive or negative. And yeah, I'm waiting for my result. My result hasn't come yet, but I'm really excited for that. Uh, Results play a vast role in growing or joining into any job, but a personality development plays a vast role in growing as a person, as a gentleman in future, the entire life. And our college has given that environment. Definitely, we were asked to wear different types of dress codes. The dress codes, we might think எதுக்கு வெயில்ல போய் சூட்ட போட போறோம், but no, that is the personality development skill which our college has given during the events. That gives us one kind of confidence. Yes, we need to be brisk. நம்ம வந்து ஒரு brisk இருக்கணும், ஒரு neatness இருக்கணும். அந்த நம்மள பார்த்தாலே அந்த brand தெரியணும். So when somebody else sees us, they should know that yeah, these are people from MGR University. They are like not just regular college guys. And a suggestion I would definitely like to end with in the college, that yes, ma'am, sir, everyone, we are really thankful to you. One thing we want to share is there are opportunities, number of opportunities. So I think, like Ramesh sir shared, very true. Our alumni, if we get support from our alumni, I think we should further start sending our students to a lot of internship programs, be it inside India or abroad, so that when they return, they come up with a lot of more contacts, with a lot of friends, with a lot of contacts that will eventually increase the standards of our university through students circle as well. That will be the fantastic thing, because I was so inspired when one of our set of batch students went to London and they presented their project. I was like, wow, that is absolutely fantastic, right? And on the other hand, I wanted to do some kind of innovation, but I am in the computer science department. So I wanted to know, okay, what exactly can be done? But eventually in college, it's an academic part. So we cannot depend on college. We cannot blame it on college. But our alumni, if they are connected with the current year students, we will grow greater heights. And with that note, I would end by saying I love all the students who have been there. Thank you so much to all the students and faculty and Dr. MGR Educational Research Institute. And hope to definitely I would be coming back to college to share about the works and opportunities whenever, whatever I find in the youth circle. And I would be passing it on to our departments. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And we really inspire you. And now I request Ms. Kuntapalli Shalini from 4th year CSE department to share her experience with us.
Hi all, good morning. I'm Shalini from the Department of CSE A section. Firstly, when I started my BTech, like when I stepped out of my +2 and entered the BTech, I was like, it was vast. It was totally 4 years. I don't know how I'm gonna manage in a new state with a new friends in the place where I don't know a language. I thought I was very scared at the beginning when I entered Chennai and Dr. MGI University. But when I've entered the campus, the campus life was totally different. It showed a new life. It was always like it showed me new things in my life. The teachers, faculties, and the professors were so supportive. Like even if we have a language barrier, they helped us a lot to overcome that. And they were very supportive. And the only thing the thing I love in our college, Dr. MGI University, is the freedom. Like we have freedom to do everything and anything, and the professors and our HODs will always support us if we do the right thing in the right place. We are encouraged to go different clubs. We are encouraged to go to different colleges for different events. We are encouraged to organize different events like Techestra and some other things. And I would like to mention that our faculties and our HOD ma'am are very good at picking out people, like recognizing qualities, recognizing leadership, recognizing leaders among the students, and pushing them towards to achieve something. That is what I felt in my own life. Like when I entered my second year, I don't know what to do. I'm very sick at picking up a conversation with strangers. I'm very sick at it. But when Victor ma'am called me and asked me to organize an event, bit by bit, I've learned to do something. I've learned to do the events, and I've even participated in the second year. I've done the treasury, then joint secretary to the secretary of the ACE Club. This is all because the encouragement I get from our faculty and the support and the trust in me by them. That was only possible because of them. And we have freedom to do everything, participating in other clubs and everything. They give us chance to explore. Like they even invent many of the new things. When I felt like once in our second year or third year, I don't remember exactly. We had the courses, networking course, Red Hat course, everything. At first, we all were like, oh my God, 3,000, 5,000, what to do with so much of money? When I entered networking, I thought I may buy 3 buckets of chicken in KFC with this 3,000, but I'm wasting it totally. I felt like that. But now I feel feel that every penny of that 3,000 is valued. Like I'm into networking, and our training is going on. Everything, starting from the basics, from which Ananthan sir has headed the networking. All the things were being repeated. So I thought, oh my God, my 3,000 has worth it. Now I felt that really. please, it's my humble request that please do not feel like, don't hesitate to join the courses if our department organizes it, because we don't know the value when we are doing that. We will get to know that when we step into the outside world or the MNC world. So I would like to conclude my note by thanking all our HODs, HOD ma'am, additional HOD Dinesh sir, and Victor ma'am especially, and all my staffs who supported and showed us a way out to the new world by molding us into the useful ones, from the raw material to the useful pieces, turning us into the marvelous pieces. I would like to thank all of them. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. And now I request Mr. Vikrant Reddy from 4th year CSE department to share his experience with us. Please.
Yeah. Firstly, thanks for the opportunity. It's been a good 4-year journey to complete our bachelor's. And the best part I liked was the revised curriculum which we have. And we also have constant support from all the faculties from the first year itself. And in 3rd year and 4th year, we have some sort of industrial exposure in terms of courses which are organized by the CSE department. And talking about the scope of improvement, definitely everyone has some scope of improvement which has to be focused on in their life, and whatever it is in terms of organizations or in terms of progress. So, and also we are also living in such unprecedented times where we have to cherish the small aspects of life. So like, stay happy, and overall it was an amazing experience with MGR for 4 years. And a special thanks to all the faculties and the sub staff. And thank you, and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Vikrant. And now I request Mr. Ramakrishna Reddy from 4th year CSE department to share his experiences with us, please.
Yeah, thank you, Pushpa. And I hope everyone are doing well and safe. I completed my graduation from Dr. MGR University, and I can say that I'm a graduate now, and it sounds well. And now I cracked several placements and placed in a good MNC. What I to crack that particular placements and kind of things, and what I learned throughout the academics, throughout the graduation, those skills helped me to crack the particular placement, like particular recruitment processes. So the best thing about my college is like, if you like, you can collaborate with each and every staff friendly, and moreover, if you have any exposure outside the company college, like if you have any internships from college or company, you can get permission from HOD, and you can get support from our department, CSE department, to go to that particular internship and explore there, because doing internships and courses will help you to crack some good MNCs, right? So you will get support from our department, CSE department, and everyone, each and everyone, every staff from CSE. I would like to thank everyone, because they encouraged me throughout the academics, and especially to the Victor ma'am, Usha ma'am, and Yorani ma'am, Kiruba ma'am. You like these staff, like they made my future in a good position. So and one more thing that I would like to suggest to the juniors, that establish your connections throughout the LinkedIn, or personally, if you want to go to get a good job in MNCs, do it right now. Whenever you are in 2nd year, 3rd year, several courses and several certificates, get in some certificates from Universal or somewhere, and do some internship, and then don't panic about placements. You will get a lot of opportunities from our college. And another thing is that if you have that much skill, you cannot wait for placements, right? You can get on yourself. So this is my experience. And if I get a chance, I would like to be a part of alumni, and I want to serve my college. So I will bring some whatever opportunities I can get, that I will bring to the juniors, and we will look towards to a wonderful future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ramakrishnan. That was very interesting, and thanks for sharing your experience with us again. Now I request Ms. Durga Devi from 4th year ISDF department to share her memories with us.
Hello, students. I am Durga Devi from BTech Information Security and Digital Forensics.
Hello, sorry to interrupt. You're not audible, please.
Am I audible now?
Yes, yes.
So I'm from Information Security and Digital Forensics. So every time I say I'm from ISDF, like everybody will ask, what is that? But believe me, it is one of the best courses that you can learn. It has been so much fun learning that every single experience that I've had. And so these 4 years have been very interesting. And although almost most of it was restrained due to the pandemic, I learned something new every day from my college experience. And then my field of study, information security and digital forensics, is an intriguing major, and I studied about crimes and criminals, even how a forensic investigation would take place. The lab classes that we had, where we sit around and learn about pen testing and vulnerability analysis and forensic investigative equipments, were one of the unforgettable ones in my life. Our faculty and the staffs have guided us throughout this journey, and even through a pandemic that shook the whole world. We were very excited when we started this college, and some of us thrived, and some of us tried, and some of us survived. But all of us had a lot of fun while we did it. Now it's coming to an end, and it might be a little bit overwhelming and even a little bit frustrating. But like how our generation got through a pandemic and online classes and the ever-changing world, we will get through this too. And all the things that I've learned and acquired here, I would carry it throughout my career. And I will cherish all the memories and all the awesome people that I've met here. And as a college graduate now, I have the ability to make something of myself and start a career. And I will be forever grateful for the college for giving me that opportunity. And all the best to you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. And now I request Mr. Shashank from 4th year ISDF department to share your experience in our college.
Very good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Shashank from BTech ISDF. And in a nutshell, the one fundamental thing my experience at MGI University has taught me is the irrefutable fact that life is unpredictable. Things might seem to flow smoothly, and the very next second it might hit the rock bottom. The overall weirdness of it all might overwhelm you until you begin losing interest, but expect anything to happen. College life will prepare you for all of this. I too was way over my head during school, and I had everyone tell me that I'd have to work hard so as to chill in college. But I'm not going to beat around the bush. The learning never ends. Of course, the college has the fun aspects to making it a complete package. As for the bonds that developed over the past 4 years, the relationship with the teachers were good too. The alacrity in always trying to teach us something new and instill various kinds of skills in us was inspiring and has helped us gain expertise in the field. So to put it plainly, college was a life-changing experience, and I'd like to thank all my fellow students and faculty for this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shashank. Followed by a request, Mrs. Sujiban from 3rd year BSc ISDF to share the feedbacks with us.
Good afternoon to one all present here in this beautiful event. I am Sujivan from BSc IACF, and first of all, I would like to thank our department for giving me this opportunity to share my memories about my college life. To be honest, it was a different kind of a journey. While joining the college, no one would have expected this kind of a college life. First 3 semesters in college, and after that, the new normal online classes due to COVID pandemic. The first 3 semesters was really memorable one. The time spent in class, canteen, etc. with friends is really unforgettable. And this college has given me plenty of memories and relationship, which I will cherish for years to come. I'm very grateful to all the staffs who made me a better person, and also grateful to all 30 of my classmates. Without them, this journey wouldn't have been this much memorable. I'll forever cherish the memories of being class representative for 2 years. It gave me a lot of responsibilities as well as memories to cherish. One event which I'm proud of being part of in college was CSR event, Sharing and Caring. The BSc journey, which started on July 23rd, 2018, came to an end on 14 July 2021 with Jason Summit Patel. And finally, I would like to thank all the staffs and my dear friends for making this 3 years journey a memorable one. And I wish you guys all the very best for the future. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Sujivan. And now I request Charumati S from 3rd year BSc ISCF to share your memories with us. I request Ms. Charumati S from 3rd year BSc ISCF to share your experience with us.
Good morning all. I'm S. Charu from BSc ISCF. Greetings to everyone present over here. It's all started in 2018, July 22nd. We have been together for almost 3 years. We know time has its wings and flew far away too soon and took away here very quick bunch of memories. When I took admission in this college, I was really afraid as all the people were new to me. But soon I started enjoying my college life and made more fantastic friends. I loved everything about my college and participated in the events. Even I joined the dance society of my college in first year. Our college canteen was a remarkable place of my college life, as whenever we got time, we used to chill in the canteen. I always remember the free time which we spent with friends goofing around the corridor. Those who used to ask which class is this, now gonna promise we will meet soon. Everyone goes his own separate way after college life. It is difficult to finally gathering up, deciding up a meet up plan because everyone gets busy in his own life. However, college life is an amazing experience which cannot be forgotten. I cordially thank you all and sending you virtual iFiles and apps. Be safe and be united. Thanks for the management for letting me this wonderful opportunity to express myself, and thank you so much for all the staff members for guiding us so far. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Charumati. And once again, I thank everyone for sharing all your feedbacks and your memories with us. All the very best and congratulations to all our graduates for their future. And now I request Dr. S. Geeta Madam, Head of CSE Department, to address a few words with our graduates. Please, ma'am.
Yes, good morning to you all. It's a good afternoon now. It's a good afternoon. Really, I'm very happy and proud to see all your words as in bonding with our department. Whatever we scolded during your times, it's good for you. Really, after hearing it, that's what I told Madam, better have the HOD talk at the end of the session, then only we can just get to know what is their expectation and all. And somebody have appreciated that curriculum framing, and also you people are very keen on what is and just noting all those things, what is happening in the department. Yes, really I am very happy, and this is the moment just I wanted to thank you all. This is the first time we are just, every time when the students get into the department, they'll ask, Madam, why don't you have a one party with us by our juniors, like, and when they are leaving the university, university, they will ask, why don't you have a freshers party and a farewell party? But since we have a very huge strength and we don't have such a kind of an that we don't have such a brought up at our university to have farewell and all. Yes, so this time we thought of thinking on this. Actually, it's a really, I want to thank our faculty member. Why don't you talk to our students at the ending note, like ma'am, all the final years, like, so that made us to think we can have one kind of event like today. And really, the title is also framed by you in the sense, the final year students. So see how you all are bonding in the sense, mingled with us. This is what this is what exactly we are looking for you in future too. And just I wanted to thank you all in terms of the activities which you have associated with the department. I just wanted to mention what are all the activities which you all are associating with us and associated with us for the past 4 years to execute. Without you, the students, whatever the teachers we can think, this is what we exactly want to see. Today the program is hosted by the students. Yes, so we are just give a framework, but it's been totally executed by the students. Without your support, our CSE department name cannot be reached to everywhere. I just, by having that in my mind, I wanted to mention some of the, not some of, all the activities which we have handled, which we have organized with the support of the students, like starting from department association activity, our ACE association activity. Now all the events are executed in all the events are executed in terms of under the banner of ACE, but totally it's been organized by executed by the students with the support of mentors. Yes, faculty mentors. So as a graduates of this, you have completed the course. Always wherever you go, end of the day, you all are our lovely students. So you have helped us a lot to execute this event under the banner of ACE. Last time we have executed Techastra. Yes, last time we have executed the Techastra, this online Techastra. Really, you are just we had we were worried about it, how this will be happened in online, how we can execute it. But you have proved it. Yes, we can do, like we have proved it. So my plenty of thanks to by organizing so many events under the banner of ACE. And that's what the grand event Techastra and our national conference. National conference, I always use our faculty members, since it is conference, most of the papers coming from outside. But for basic work, we'll take your help. And Mozilla event. First batch, they have Jaypreeti batch. They have just applied their idea to the, in the sense, under the name of Mozilla. They have, their idea has been approved and they have been called for presentation at UK. And first batch they have done it. The second batch also has to carry it out. That worry we were always having. And again they have proved, your batch have proved, yes, we are also better than our seniors. Like every batches, we always expecting some kind of betterment. That is what, but you have proved it by applying your idea and presented your idea at Ravensbrück University at UK. So my special thanks and sincere thanks to the man. And the MGR Coding Club, Rafiq is the one of the students who have just come and talked to me about MGR Coding Club, and one team have worked for it, and how successful that maybe your juniors may take a lead and execute that. And CSA activity and IIT PALS program, most of the students, almost whenever we get an opportunity to allow the students to participate in IIT PALS program, we have allowed, we have identified the students and we have asked them to attend it to get an exposure about what is happening at outside and how other college students are there, and what way we are better than them and what way we are lagging on them, how to improvise it. So you have learned from that also. And the NSAVE Club activity, Abrar have mentioned it. So lot of students are involved in NSAVE Club activity and our literary seminary and the spoken tutorial program. A lot of spoken tutorial program. Many of them have taken their certification through IIT Bombay program. And the main important thing, argumentation courses. That's now it's been considered for technical skill. Whenever we say, immediately you will accept it. That is, you have accepted. That is what is the strength of our student. Why we have to listen our faculty members and we can do whatever we want like. But when we say these are the courses being organized by our department, you have to listen it. Yes, you have accepted. That's what we have been talked by everybody. Yes, CSE department is doing that and this and all. Yes, so really without your support and we are not here. And Sujiban has pointed out a CSR activity. Every time we just thought of thinking we have a CSR activity like the PSC student executed. Yes, so really executed well so far till 2021, and we have to just think in a way how we can do better in the forthcoming year. And many important things. We have our department have accredited by NBA and ABET. It's an international accreditation. Your batch has proudly say our department that particular course BTech CSE has been accredited by ABET, and it's that value of ABET can be realized when you are just going abroad for any higher studies and all. So during that time, really students have helped us. I am not sure about who and all have involved it. That's what I mentioned, all the activities whatever which we have carried out during your period, that 4 years of time. And you might every one of you have been involved in that, because I wanted to tell you now Anbu Jerome is also there. Every time by seeing Anbu Jerome name, I tell, oh, this guy always creates something like, but this guy have sent a student for admission and all. So you have bonding with our university too. So that's what I don't want to mention the students. The students, those who have worked very close with me. I always I always remember you. There's no, but after some time I may feel really these students are there means we would have done better. Like it's a human tendency. We cannot stop that, and we cannot forget it and all. Yes. And that during the inspection time and all, you have helped us to create what is that, to draw charts and posted in your during the ABET time and all. 18 you may, by the time you were in second year. Yes. And the class has been decorated by pasting the charts, and a lot of videos being captured by us by asking the students to enact for any particular concept which you have studied in the subject and all. We cannot forget all those things really. And if I miss any of the activity, you can just these are all the most important. Lot of association activities and professional society activities and all, and designing, logo designing, certificate designing, whatever it is. So you are the one which have helped us to work for the betterment of projecting ourselves to the outside one. Yes. So really by mentioning all the activities which you have just helped us to carry out in our department, just I wanted to say thanks. And maybe it's coming from my bottom of my heart. Yes. So every time we have to think of, we have to be looking for alternate. This time maybe Abrar, whenever we do any comparing, okay, Abrar is there, we can just do it like. Next, once Abrar reaching that, now we have become an alumni. Yes, we have to identify who is the next fellow. We can identify. This is what our we always these guys have done such a work. How can I identify like this guy in the juniors one like? So this is what exactly you made us to. These are all the remembers which you are leaving with us. And these students have done like this, and these students have helped us in executing the one. That too during this lockdown period, nearly 1.5 years, more than 1.5 years. Whenever you are asking us, we may, I'm not sure about it. We may help at a certain extent. We may not be helped at certain extent, but that's specifically at the point of tuition fee and all. But this, you might have missed that college real life that. Facing coming to the university, sitting in a classroom and chatting with your friends. Whenever you are all free, you just come in a batch, come and take a classroom. You just have just fix a day. You just come and enjoy your life. college life at whenever you are all are free. And my wish is everybody is looking for a job. I know who a lot of students are calling, ma'am, when we will get a 8th semester mark sheet, 7th semester mark sheet and all. You all are really working very hard to a job. Most of now I heard many of the students are placed in Accenture, HCL, Infosys and all. Really very happy. And at the same time, you should not forget our university mission is our students are all job creators, not job seekers. Maybe on maybe for immediately you cannot get into an entrepreneurial mode, but whenever you find the time, you have a thought to become an entrepreneur, decide and just prove it in that domain also. And some of them may work for better companies, good companies, and some of them may be looking for higher studies. By the time you may need LO or any kind of recommendations or whatever you need, you can don't hesitate. You just get in touch with us, either with me and or with Dinesh sir and or with now I would like to just convey to all, Victor madam has been promoted as a deputy HOD of our department, so you can connect with Victor ma'am, or you can connect with your class teachers which you all are familiar, or through your alumni coordinators. Our department alumni coordinators Amuda madam and Kripa madam are there, so they both of them will always listen whatever the help which you will ask. You just can connect, you can connect with them and you can get your things done. Now don't hesitate, and if you are at somewhere else, we'll just through online mode, we can just whatever the requirements which we wanted, which you wanted from our side, we'll just help it at the most extent. Yes, and really whatever we write it in the blackboard, it's for your betterment only. Yes, whether we have just written written in a good manner, or we might have scolded you and all, it's for your betterment. That may shape you. We just thought of thinking that will really shape you to go for a betterment of your life. So with this, really on behalf of the entire faculty members of Department of CSE, I would like to faculty and staff members, even you just go to Rajesh sir and team, you just go to Rajesh sir and team, they will also help you in getting some kind of an help as a technical point of view. Yes, so every one staff member, every one of the staff member in the CSE department will always listen whatever any kind of help which you have, which you are in need of from CSE department. CSE department means inclusive of CSE student or ISTF students, BSc ISCF student, and MTech CSE, MTech ISCF student. Yes, so on behalf of the Department of CSE and Department of CSE, in faculty members and technical members, my very best wishes for your future success, and show your efficiency in the post which you are going to occupy it. So always you will prove it you are an MGRN. Yes. So with this, I just thank every one among you for your support provided during that 4 years towards our university. And at last, I have to thank our founder chancellor through A.C. Shanmugam sir and our president sir, ACS Arun Kumar sir. Really, they have. For any students, they need any help, they are one presidents immediately listen what their students' expectation, what really they are in need of help, will do with ma'am like. So really we have to thank them, and our executives today, Siddhi sir have joined with us and Ramesh sir have joined with us. For any kind of help, you can just keep in touch with the department. Don't maintain a distance. Anytime you, as Ramesh sir said, when you are visiting Chennai, have it in your schedule visiting our department. Yes, with this, thank you everyone. Thank you. Wish you a bright future. Thank you, students. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing all the memories. And now I request Mr. Rishabh Tiwari from second year CSE department to greet our beloved graduates of 2021 by taking them through a beautiful memory lane.
Thank you, Pushpitra, for giving me this chance to greet the seniors. And hello, everyone. This is Rishabh Tiwari, as Pushpitra said. My creation has no title because it's really difficult to conclude 4 years into a single or a single phrase. So here it is. I hope you people will like it. Hey, do you remember? Do you remember the first time when you saw this college? Remember when the gush of adrenaline rushed through the veins? But the fact that now you are going to be in a college, the glow on the face, that shine in the eyes, all looking heavenly divine. The thoughts in your mind, the hopes in your heart, all of them ready to give your life a new start, the start of a new journey, a journey that would turn you into a man of ideas, a man of principles, a man of virtues, and a man of morals. You met new people, made them your mates, the mates who held you when you were down, mates who stood with you when the time frowned. Do you remember those mischievous deeds in the lecture hall, those early morning proxy wars, those planned bunks which gave you unplanned memories, those photo mentions in the Insta stories, those late night assignments gave you dark circled eyes, those early morning strolls to the tea side, those evening gossips on a purposeless walks, those street side junks with your lovely pulse, those late night calls to the delivery guys, those country treats in the middle of night, those birthday bombs on the back and bombs, those tasty cakes on the body and face, those terrorism times when the exams arrived, those hurry shuffles to the subject sums, those plans you made for the trip with a friend, those movie halls with tears and halls, those walks in the malls, those roadside stores, those giggles in the talks, those nicknames and all, everything, every single thing. All these downpouring bursts of emotion, this nostalgic trail of thoughts, these footprints on the shores of time, they all have made you. They all have made you, transformed you into a thoughtful, brave person who is ready to take up the challenges in the game of life. A game where you, even if you lose, you score, you learn, you upgrade, and try and retry. I know the end of your second abode is here. I know the end of your second abode is here, but the tension not. But tension not, it will always be near. It will reside, beating with the thumbs of your heart and be your undivisible part. I know that time doesn't roll back. The time doesn't roll back, and so should you. Hence, go my boy, conquer the world. Leave your imprints on the ledger of time. And if you ever feel alone, just look back in time. These memories will be your strength. And then you can relaunch and bounce back with the brightest smile. Success is found by those who do. Success is found only by those who do. Don't let anyone stop you. A positive attitude you do display. It will be helpful on your way. Wish you luck and blessings of Lord. Believe in yourself and the chord of the God. And remember, my friend, all that matters is how you end. Thank you so much, Vishnu.
Thank you so much, Rishabh, for making our seniors to live their college life once again in a couple of minutes through your words. And now I request the alumni coordinator, Mrs. T. Kripa Devi Madam from CSE department, to talk about the activities of the Alumni Association. Please, ma'am.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon to all. Today, we are connected here to give farewell to our 2017-21 batch students. And it's my pleasure that I'm here to say thanks and wish you all as a department alumni coordinator, along with Mrs. Amuda, who is in charge for higher studies and alumni as well. I would like to congratulate all the students for the nice journey after college life. You all must have some good and ordinary memories during the graduation period. Every year, we have students who pass out from our institute. For me, it has a mixed feeling of joy, happiness on the other side. It gives sorrow and pain. A feeling of joy that all our students will achieve success, and sorrow for the thing that from here onwards, we won't meet you in classroom, virtually too. Do remember the day when you took admission to the university. You were not so bold enough to represent yourself. After some time, you started walking on your feet confidently, made you realize about the world through imparting knowledge. Sometimes we had scolded you for your mistakes, but trust me, all we did was for the sake of your future. We have trust in our students, and the knowledge you gain will never fail in your life. You just have completed the first phase of life, and there are more to come. Now, you have to take the major decision of your life, and you cannot depend on anyone for that. I request you to remember the much used proverb of Swami Vivekananda. When wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, something is lost. When character is lost, everything is lost. You will face many situations in your coming life, and only the principles which are inculcated in you will help you to get rid of the obstacles. And two important things which I learned in my life: time management and instant decision making. And both these qualities will be helpful for your future. So unofficially, you are our alumni batch now, officially after formal convocation. Welcome you to the board of MGR Alumni Association, MA, which is abbreviated as MA of our university. The Alumni Association functions with objectives by staging an annual program of events and reunions through communications, by providing a range of discounts and services for alumni. So Alumni Association has a motto of stay connected to share and care. So as already mentioned by our Dean, JR EPA, every year we do celebrate a decennial meet for a 10th year completed batch, and we do celebrate a silver jubilee batch meet for a 25 years completed batch. Along with that, we have an alumni portal. It has been formally registered now, and last Saturday we have sent you an information for a date of birth and all. For every section, final year section, I have sent personally through your class in chat, which is to collect your information so that we can feed your information in the alumni portal, which has been registered now. And I request everyone to accept the register and register in the link which will be sent to you shortly. Speciality of the portal is to share the memories, jobs, newsletters by alumni office with the alumni. So the alumni connect their friends and share their memories, photos as per your interest. So stay connected to share and care through our alumni social network. Apart from that, MGR Alumni Association provides various online services which will be helpful for the students who cannot visit the university at the need of time. But you can approach us through our online services. So I'll just list out the services. We will provide transcript for WES, World Education Services for higher studies. We can provide a mark sheet which you have missed mark sheet can be provided. Then we can provide bona fide certificate for a medium of instruction. Then issuing LOR from the department also can be provided through online. So apart from that, our institution has scholarships that can be provided through alumni as an alumni for various active courses. All you have to do is you have to provide submit a nomination form using Google form. Then contact EP office and receive a hard copy of the application. Submit the scholarship application to the admission office of the university and proceed for the admission. So you can get a minimum of 20% to 50% of fee deduction through this offer. So you can refer any alumni or your sibling or anybody through using this scholarship. Apart from that, we can meet up for annual alumni meet. Due to pandemic, it is happening officially virtually now, but later on it will be done physically. So we can catch up at the alumni meet or any alumni meet during inspection time. So we can also have an alumni lecture meeting series we have. So we invite alumni We can have alumni conclave meeting. Then apart from that, you can be invited as an alumni guest for Techestra and so on. So anytime you can catch us, visit our university, anytime during the working days, you're always welcome. So to conclude, we always appreciate the alumni to stay in touch with us and always welcome them for their major guidance and counseling decisions. As all of you are now entering into a completely different world after your college life, you will find many lessons in life. I wish you courage and patience to deal with the conflict and want to be strong and more determined. You can achieve your goals and be victorious in every sphere of life. So stay safe, take care. Hope to meet you soon physically. Thank you.
Thank you so much, madam. And finally, I invite Ms. Tanusha from second year CSE department to deliver the vote of thanks. Please, Tanusha.
1 minute, ma. Pushma Mitra, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, sure.
Let me. Students, almost half of the students have left. Madam has told, Kripa Madam has told higher education and all. In our department, we have MTech Computer Science and Engineering and MTech Cyber Forensic and Information Security. Any of you are interested, if you have a plan to do higher studies, better you can just connect with us, and to get through alumni quota, you can get a concession and all to join in higher studies at our university, and for PhD too. So really, if you are interested to interested to do the higher studies, better you always connect with us. Doing just have a choice of doing MTech program at our under the courses provided by courses offered by the department. Right now, we are offering 2 courses, MTech Computer Science Engineering and MTech Cyber Forensic and Information Security. You'll get a concession and all. Every year, we have our alumni students to opt these courses. This year, Chitra and one more girl from Nandini, both of them are doing a MTech course. And coming year, already somebody have inquired about MTech course. Please connect with us to do your PG courses at our department. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. And now I invite Ms. Tanusha from second year CSE department to deliver the vote of thanks.
A warm and a cherished afternoon to everyone who have gathered through this online platform. I am Tanusha S, second year BTech CSE. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for the Cherio 2021 to all the dignitaries. A special good afternoon to all the teachers and my lovely friends, especially our amazing seniors. I feel honored and privileged to get this opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this special day. Every special moment comes to an end, and this occasion is not an exception to that. We part to rejoin in the journey of life. Today, you will take home the memories of best time you have created here over the years. Who knew that every moment we spent here, we were making these memories? Soon, we will start walking away with our journey. So let's take this moment and make it worth to remember. I would like to thank our President, Sir, who's always supporting us in all the endeavors. Dr. V. Cyril Raj, Sir, Additional Registrar Administration, the pillar of support. The Joint Registrar, Event Publications and Alumni, Dr. L. Ramesh, Sir. Dr. S. Geeta Ma'am, Head of the CSE Department, all the staff members and all the 2021 graduated students of BTech CSE, BTech ISCF, BTech ISCF. I would like to appreciate all the efforts taken by our organization team to make this event successful and thanking them for their enormous contribution. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Tanusha. And also, I take this moment to thank everyone for making this day a special event in so many ways. I also thank all our graduates of 2021 who came into our college and made us see stars that is about to shine high again. We will keep everyone in our ears and you will all stay here together in our hearts. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you all. Thank you all. Really, it's a very different kind of mode for us to say thank to you. Thank you all. Thank you all. Pushpamitra, good job.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Pushpamitra
so
is
much,
there?
ma'am. Yes,
Good,
ma'am. I
good
am
job.
here.
Good job.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you.